546.
Oh, 546.
Bye. Just look like just walk up. And nagpagas kami. Wow! Kapoy biyahe tayo. 3 hours biyahe namin. Now we have left 1 hour and something minutes. So, we've been in the road for 2 hours. Tapos is, ano siya 30 minutes, ay 3 hours and something minutes. Medyo mahaba. So, naka 2 hours na kami. Nagpagas muna siya. And magsi-CR din daw siya. So, our first stop over. So, ito lang yung kinakain ko sa buong biyahe. 2 kami. Pampagising sa buhay. Chocolate. Candy. Candies. Yan. Yung mga ganun. Yan. So, at the moment, hindi ako mababa ng sakyan. Alam nyo ba, mula sa 37, 38, 39, ngayon 42 Fahrenheit kami. Malamig sa labas. Nag-uusok yung mga sakyan. So, ayoko lumabas, ang lamig. Take you on the way. Ayan yung labas namin ngayon. Kikita nyo. Pagasang person. Here. What's that? I don't know where you say. Sarap ng hangin. Ang sarap ang init. Oh, I like the breeze. Touch the snow daw. Oh, this is how the snow. Parang bula. This is snow? Parang bula. Ay, totoong snow nga. You're playing. Lao! Ah, ito si... Agay, ang lamig. Ay, first time ko nakawak ng snow. Snow to ng hockey. Lamig. What are you doing? Making a snowman. Oink. Bali. Bowls.
Kind of like what you were eating.
For ice cream.
But it was crushed snow. Or
Can
crushed ice.
Yeah.
But that's what digs up when it goes in the Zamboni, and then he comes out the door and he opens up the...
Makita namin sari-sari store. As in Filipino food yung nasa loob. Ayan, tahimik. Mga Filipino store guys, may shawarma, may ice cream.
Aren't you glad we came here now?
I like it here.
Downtown. It's on the downtown area.
Malamig. Filipino restaurant. Lahat ng gamit dito pa Pilipino. Pati mga words sa wall, Filipino. Tapos yung dalawang babae sa loob na trabaho Pilipino, dito siya nakapag-asawa din siya. And matagal na siya dito, nag-work siya. Very Tagalog and Bisaya, pareho kami. Daming kwento na yung asawa sa kanya. Dito kami sa Bistro Hipag. Dito sa may, saan ba to? Highlands. Saan ba kami nakatira? Ay, saan ba kami ngayon? Hindi ko sure, pero ilalagay ko na lang dito. Kung saan kami banda. Banda dito. Puro, lahat. Filipino food, lahat. Menu. Tagalog lahat ng word. Wow. And they have pancit. Pancit is life. Palabok sa akin, I tried it. Statue.
Yeah.
We call them statue of Sojourner. Sojourner true. We are in Hudson River. First time. May nagturo lang sa amin dito na Pilipina. Hudson River. Ganda.
This is the walkway over the Hudson River.
Until we reach only and then jump back.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a
Hudson
picture of that
River.
last one now.
Ayan.
There's a web tour.
Yep. Hudson Way River. Oh, we're here now, exploring. We have a long more time. Oh, I see the
Trailhead
water
right
by
here.
there.
You read on the floor or on the ground.
Trailhead. What does it mean, trail? Sa loob ng Happy Game. Lamig dahil kaya ako nakaganto. So, kumot is life. I have still my kumot. Dala tayo kumot. Ano yun sa kaya maingay? Kami nauna dito. Kita-kita ko yung pwesto ng kabila. Kita-kita ko rin dito sa harap ko. First game. Honored ang person. Yay, they got honored. Hey, 2 points. 2 points. They scored again. Very good, very good. That was crazy. Ang layo dito. Tapos na-shoot dito. Siya lang mag-isa. Hey, they got score again. Very good, my team. Yeah.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah.
They just scored an empty netter.
They won 15 seconds. Yay! Woo.
Oh, they took the goal away.
Yeah.
They can't let this score or else this goes to overtime.
It was 7. Oh, it's